Hi everyone, we're here with Miss Dhana Shatila, who's the Senior Technology Advisor. We're very happy to have you, Miss Dhana, to ask you a couple of questions to pick your brain, considering your experience, of course. So what we wanted to understand was, in UAE, or let's say in Middle East as a whole, what are the key strategies, key trends that you see being very, very important in the next 12 months?
Yeah, actually, what's getting trending nowadays when we speak about digital transformation, AI adoption, and cybersecurity at the same time, that cyber threats that's getting really spread out because attackers are using AI to spread attacks, while some organizations are missing that aspect of having a dedicated team to countermeasure those attacks through adversarial testings, having a dedicated team within their environment to ensure they are up to that speed of AI-related cyber threats.
And as you mentioned, Ms. Dhana, considering that AI is being adopted at such a rapid pace and everyone wants to stay competitive and adopt AI, do you think the threats which are being posed, are the entities ready for these threats? Are they moving at the same pace?
Yeah, actually, they think organizations are ready because they want to move fast with AI, but they're moving fast without considering the prerequisites of our environment to really reach out to real successful results. We really need to have, and this is very important, a dedicated team. The same way now we have a dedicated team for penetration testing, we need to have dedicated team ready for doing adversarial testings, continuously monitoring and testing the data models that's being built for those AI help today in order to attack the cyber threats that getting used by attackers using AI, and to keep up with the pace of countermeasuring and blocking those attacks and keep up to the pace before we lose control.
Absolutely, completely agree with that. And I know that you've been having a lot of conversations, you're one of the panelists as well. Anything insightful that you've taken away, or what are the key takeaways from these conversations?
Yeah, actually, I'll get the chance to meet with the panelists. All hours having great insights, address really important and critical answers. They're coming from different backgrounds, different experiences. So we had this chance to discuss different topics with each other, and it's really important for all of us to be aligned. I've met also the partners where this involves. There are really great ideas. Partners was explaining to me that they have some topics related to introducing AI technologies within your on-prem environment. So we find now organizations pretty much resistant to move to cloud, but at the same time they need to adopt AI. So the solution is there. It's not that you have to move to cloud and stay away before adopting AI. So I think out of this today's conference, one clear stood out reason for in me that innovation and security should stay hand in hand in order to be effective and successful.
Absolutely agree with that. Thank you so much for your time, Ms. Dhana.
Thank you.